Hi and welcome to Artsijo Creations YouTube channel. If you're here for the first time, please do remember to subscribe and click the bell icon to get the latest updates from this channel. Hi and welcome to the video in which I'll be showing you how to find the center of a round base. For this you would require a scale, a set square, a pencil and the base. I'll be using the chords method to find the center of the circle. For this, you'd require to create 3 chords, find their perpendicular bisectors. Where the perpendicular bisectors meet each other is where the center of the circle is. Now for this particular board, I've taken the a measurement of 10 inches, drawn a chord around the edges, and divided that chord into half by marking the 5th inch on each chord. Then I have placed the set square on that particular midpoint of 5 inches, drawn a straight line towards the center from each chord. Most of the time, the 3 chords do not actually merge at one point. In this particular case, you will need to find the midpoint of the small triangle that the 3 chords form at the center. Once you have found the center point, keep a compass at that point and try to touch the edges of the board and see if the measurements are same on all directions. You might need to do this for some time and change the position of the point to find the exact center. Once that is done, place a hole in the center by pressing the compass needle a little bit hard into the center. Once that is done, you can use a wet wipe to clear off the lines, and then once that is done, you have found the center. Thank you for watching the video. Please do come back to the channel as I will be posting new videos at least once a week. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to get notifications.